This is Sheba getting her little shower. For her bath, she likes to flip around in the leaves. Good little Sheba. There, Sheba wants some more. Now here comes the canary. He's going to get to eat some leaves too. Freckles wants to get in on the act. There's Freckles. She's going to get in on the act. They're all just having the best time getting their little feathers cleaned with the leaves, the lettuce leaves. Yum, yum, yum. Frisky Jack's going to have a bite or two of lettuce leaf. Look at those silly birds. They just have the best time.